We're doing 2 more boxes of Prizm Hobby 15/16 for Jeff, the 281 Sun. You take the 5th too? Alright, should have just grabbed it. Should just grabbed it. Okay. We're at 2 right now, 2 later, and then maybe 1 left. Probably rip that one later this evening as well. I'm going to do 4 packs at a time here. Alright. Bismack Biyombo. Pau Gasol Red. Miles Turner. Here's your first auto. Trey Burke. Came fast. Trey Burke. Trey Bien. Russell Westbrook, USA. Rozier, rookie. Nicholas Batum, Prizm. Jokic. Wayne Ellington. Montrezl Harrell. Kyle Lowry Fireworks. Nash Prizm. D'Angelo. Penny Red. Josh Richardson. CP3. Cameron Payne. Rondé Hollis Jefferson Emergent. Kentavious Caldwell Pope. Tyler Harvey. Patrick Ewing. Boatwright. Brandon Bass. Norman Powell Blue. Larry Nance. And LeBron Fireworks. That's box 1. So I'm not seeing gold from this case, right? You got to remind me if we've seen gold. I don't know. I don't think we have. Marc Gasol Red. Jarrell Martin. Jimmy Butler. Sam Bowie. Stoudemire insert, Damon Stoudemire. Chris McCullough. Purple Jay Crowder. Number 99. Moutier. Giannis. Chocolate Thunder. Rashad Vaughn Emergent. Uh-oh, 101. Good luck. 101 black Prizm. Raswal Butler. Raswal Butler. There you go. 1 of 1 black Prizm. I don't even know who that dude is. At least got a 1-1. That's cool. Jerry Grant. Larry Nance Jr. Rakeem Christmas. Sharif Abdul Rahim, Rozier, Gerald Henderson, Walter Tavares Red, Jokic, Gasol Fireworks, and the last 4 packs for the Islanders. Montrez, Tobias Harris Red, Portis, Ronnie Seekley, and Julius Randle. Second-year Randle. Alright, Jeff, there you go. So autos of Julius Randle and Trey Burke, a black 101 Butler, and a purple Crowder. The highlights of those two. Thanks for watching, guys.